Today I'm going to teach you how to lock files in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you're collaborating with your team and need to make changes to a document without worrying about others editing it at the same time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials that have access to the team and files you want to work with. This initial step is essential as it ensures you're connected to all your team resources. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on Teams. This section houses all the teams you're a part of and gives you access to their respective channels and shared resources. Next, you'll need to select the specific channel where your file is located. Channels are like different rooms within a team, each dedicated to specific topics or projects. Click on the channel that contains the file you want to lock. This will open up the channel's content and give you access to all its shared materials. Now, look towards the top of the screen and click on either Shared or Files. Both of these options will take you to the file repository for that channel. This is where all documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files are stored for team access. Once you're viewing the files, locate the specific file you want to lock. When you find it, click on the three dots that appear beside the file name. This will open a menu with various options for managing that file. From the menu that appears, click on More. This expands additional file management options that aren't immediately visible in the first menu. Then, from these extended options, click on Check Out. Here's what happens when you check out a file. Only you can edit it while it's checked out. Other team members can still open and view the file, but they won't be able to make any changes to it. Your teammates will also see a notification that the file is currently checked out by you, so they'll know you're actively working on it. Think of this feature as reserving the file while you work on it, ensuring your edits won't conflict with someone else's changes. And there you have it. You've successfully locked your file in Microsoft Teams using the checkout feature. This simple process helps maintain document integrity and prevents version conflicts when multiple people need access to the same files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.